things are going to get better for the consumer in controlling their own money. I think the key message for today is that the technology sector needs to have a voice. The thing will only work if people get behind it, and that means both the technology providers, the banks, the customers, everyone has to make it work. And to do that, they have to understand it, and they have to also have a voice in how it's developed.
We at Modulr see open banking as really a cornerstone of our strategy, and we're going to be delivering products against this in the months to come, so we're really excited to see what happens.
I think what we'll see in January is a soft launch, as they're calling it, of open banking, the open banking API standards.
The most important thing for open banking is to avoid fragmentation in the market and to have all the parties from not just in the UK and Europe, but around the globe share ideas, look at best practice and try to converge on a consistent method of delivery.
Modulr today is launching a real-time payments capability backed by a strong SLA. What that means is that you can make payments that will go out within 90 seconds, and you can receive payments into your accounts that will be available to use within 5 minutes. So why are real-time payments important? For many companies, their customer base has an expectation that things will happen instantaneously. With a lot of the payment systems that companies use today, it can be up to 3 days to get a payment to go all the way through, that's not really good enough. The ability for a corporate to be able to initiate payments, to be able to receive payments, and to be able to automate the payment flows through their organisation can really change the way they service their customers and also massively improve their internal efficiency. The infrastructure is fragile and it's often down out of hours. That's kind of worked in a 9 to 5, 5 days a week model, but in a 24/7 environment it's simply not good enough anymore.
People and enterprises bring their values to this industry. I'm a strong supporter of collaboration in this arena, and I saw there is a very good foundation in the UK that banks has been collaborating with fintech firms. I hope this conversation can grow and continue.
And it's always important to go back to why open banking is being implemented in the UK and in Europe wide, and that is to stimulate more competition in financial services, is to bring out more innovation, and ultimately to for there to be better, more appropriate services available for small businesses and consumers.
To get everybody into the same room and discuss these issues is really a pleasure for me to see today. It was a pleasure to see how many people came for this event and the spread of companies that we had.
So it's been great being at this techUK open banking event and being able to discuss with a lot of our peers how open banking is affecting them or is going to affect them in January when the regulations start to come into force.